He picked up some really rare posters and Japanese car memorabilia stuff out of Japan, and I ordered these from a company that lives local called Stateside Garage. And you can see this is pretty cool. Look at all the different stats: rb26, VG30, rb20, all the different tuning options and power levels they can make and how much it costs, I believe. So that's pretty cool. I'm bringing this to Eric at Up Garage. I went and picked those up for him, so we're gonna go drop these off. And we're gonna get my valve covers put on today. The new color, all powder coat, is gonna be freaking fantastic. I'm super excited. Been waiting for about 6 weeks. I have a link to Stateside Garage's website if you want to get some cool stuff. I'm gonna get some other banners and stuff that he has from Japan. I think he's got an Advan one for the tires that I want to put over on the wall. I think would look really cool. Let's take a quick peek. This is the official HKS calendar from 2009. The HKS R35 GTR. For March and April, you've got the R34 GTR with a really cool picture of a turbine on there on the compressor wheel. A couple Mitsubishi Evos for May and June with those cool old turbo kits. That looks like the turbo kit that's on Dustin Williams' car on his Evo that he just is rebuilding on his channel, the Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift.
Let's get started.
As you can see, it is extremely old. Look at this wastegate, man, and it's all rusted.
Look at the old wastegate, and the manifold looks exactly the same. WRX action for July and August. Sells a cool Toyota. Is that a Altezza or a Tezza or something? I can't remember the exact, or a Lexus IS300. And the final picture for November and December, I don't even know what kind of car that is. I think it's a Toyota. It's a supercharger kit. Guys, I am back with the R32 GTR, and I have a very special color to finally reveal to you guys. It is, of course, an HKS inspired wrinkled purple that I had the valve covers fully redone in, and Up Garage did these for me, and I had them install them as well while I was on vacation just to save time, and they turned out absolutely fantastic. I couldn't be happier with the color. I posted a video on a YouTube picture for my build plans. The very first time I saw this color, I knew that this was the color that I wanted. So it is freaking flawless looking. Look at that wrinkle. The texture looks so nice. They did the black anodizing on the oil refill cap, so it's not that red like it was before. But I'm pretty happy with it. I think it turned out pretty freaking. It's a hell of a nice combo with the intake manifold, the remade in USA throttle body kit, and everything all being restored with the valve cover. I think the engine bay has really come together, and this is pretty much as far as I can take it until it can eventually be repainted when the engine gets pulled out. But we just have to finish dressing up these last few items, getting the different metal surfaces to match, and this will be done.
I don't have friends. I got family.
Last thing I had to do is take the old engine ornament. I'm going to take that off the old valve cover in the center and put that over to here. I also have something I want to show you guys. It just came back from Powder Tote, and this is the Nismo oil separator. So I had these done, and these are in a 20% gloss. So they turned out pretty damn good. So I've got two different things happening here. I get a total of 7 parts back from the powder coater. This is the Nismo oil separator. So I'm gonna install this here in the next couple of days. I just wanted to kind of give you guys a status update with where I'm at and all the bracketing. And this is gonna look really nice up in the engine bay. So when this is tucked back in here, you definitely won't be able to see it as much. It's going to blend in really well. And I think I'm going to probably redo the strut tower bar. I'm going to redo that because this is gloss and it just stands out. But this looks really good. It's going to be subtle, and it's going to be well hidden versus that unfinished aluminum. So I got these back. This is the nice centerpiece, of course, for the top. So this is going to go pretty much like in this area here. So that'll blend in perfect with the hosing. And this is the Cusco master cylinder brake brace kit. So I had that all done as well in the 20%. I think it's like a BK8. I'm pretty excited. Let me know what you guys think about the color choice for that, as well as the color choice on the valve covers. Got some other stuff. I just picked the car up from Up Garage today. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a torch to this. We'll clean this up, drop that onto the top of the center, and then I think that'll be it for today's video. It's just gonna be a quick one. Oh, that's pretty hot. All right, that is off. Now let me know what you guys think. I just set the center engine cover ornament on here, and you can see, like, before it looked really good because the old valve covers were in such like crap condition. But now that it's sitting in here with the brand new valve cover, powder coat and everything, you can see that there's imperfections in the finishing of it. And to me, it's gonna bother me. So I'm gonna probably just go ahead and buy myself a new center insert ornament. Let me know what you guys think. Not sure. I kind of like the original one, which I think they're only about $100, so I think it'd be well worth the money. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about all these powder coated parts. Let me know what you guys think of that stuff down below. Like I said, today's video is just kind of a real short one. Got to go pick the Sylvia up in a couple of days at Under Pressure Racing Development. And I marked off a little bit more cutting I need to do for the intercooler fitment on the bumper while I got it off. Kind of all these areas here. So I'm gonna get that finished up, and then I'm gonna go pick up the car in a couple days. Beyond that, I've got a track event coming up this Sunday, the 23rd. So I'm gonna take the R32 there. We're gonna run it in some quarter-mile launches and see what I can do. I'm hoping to do somewhere in like the low to mid 11s. That is my goal. So we'll see. Hopefully I don't break anything. So you guys wish me luck. There's going to be a cool car show there. That's in Kent at Pacific Raceways this Sunday. If anybody would like to join me, go ahead and head up there. But other than that, I had a good time in Florida with my family on vacation. I'll put a few video clips up here, and you guys enjoy. I'm a Star Wars nerd and a Disney nerd and all that. Probably like most of you guys are too.
It didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
My R32 is at Up Garage for like the last 10 days or so because I was having them do the valve covers. I also had them finish up my tuning and stuff. I had some issues with my idle, issues with like the starter. The starter was sticking, so Doug fixed that stuff. And they kind of did some data logging, and just went over my tune to kind of get it really dialed in. So I should be ready to pretty much rock and roll. I've driven the car about 40 miles since I picked it up, and it seems pretty rock solid. So I am ready for this summer with this thing, and I'm ready to go out and tear up the track. I'm going to do some circuit racing, some roll racing, some quarter-mile racing. If you guys like that type of content and you want to join me, subscribe down below. Hit the thumbs up on the video, it really helps out. And yeah, let's get back to the video. One more little tidbit I want to throw into today's video. So I went ahead and ordered some IKEA formula, really good upper control arms for the front of the R32. But these are like a factory design, but they're 5mm shorter, so when you have a lowered front suspension like I do, your tires are going to maintain good contact with the road. So I wanted to go with the more factory OEM design. This has really strong stiffened bushings, and with this full connector in the center here, it's going to help keep that knuckle extender and the front suspension geometry a little bit more dialed in. There's a lot of play in this that I don't think should be there. I don't know if you guys can see that move. I saw a couple years ago when they were when the suspension was done up at the alignment, they didn't tighten down the center units were loose, and these things were just spinning around, and the front end's way out of alignment. Even with them fully tightened, I always thought it kind of looked like a sketchy made in China type deal, because it never really felt all that solid. So I can feel a little bit of front end like wandering, and that's pretty much what Doug and I have narrowed it down to. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna install these here probably on Saturday with the oil catch can. I just don't have really too much time to do that today. So I just wanted to kind of do a quick update with you guys. Hope you enjoy. Anyway guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. This has been a long time coming. Those powder coating items for you guys that have done it at Up Garage, it's not a cheap it's not a cheap ordeal to do. So anyway guys, leave me some comments. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for tuning in. You guys have a good one.